This demonstration is probably one of the best ways of showing how APSA works. APSA is a biodegradable product, and when added to water breaks the surface tension of water, and that helps reduce beading, and in turn allows the water to spread and improves the coverage and making it effective to penetrate both in the plants and soil. I'm going to use this leaf as an example, and just to give you some idea, if I was to actually put a drop of water there and allow it to sit, the waxy surface of the leaf holds that surface tension to water, and I use this toothpick, just dab a little bit of APSA on the tip and touch that water. That is what actually happens. Surface tension broken, spreads much quicker, and therefore gets into the leaf and penetrates. Now, why that does break that surface tension of the leaf is because most leaves, or insects for that matter, actually have what we call very waxy surface, and this waxy surface is an arrangement of waxy pellets, sometimes crystalline waxes. And if I use this example of a cardboard and drew microscopically what could look like a series of waxy platelets on both sides, and again simply drop a couple of beads of water, assuming it's sitting on top of a leaf, and it could have insecticide and pesticide in this water. And if I just got a bit of toothpick, again just dab a little APSA and just drop that into the water. Notice what actually happens. Breaks the surface tension of water, spreads the water more effectively, gets into the cracks, and that's what we call the penetrative abilities of APSA, to be able to get into the cracks much quicker. And just to give you some idea, I've got this other piece of cardboard which I put in as a demonstration much earlier on, and this has been sitting there for half an hour, and look at the difference. The beads of water are still sitting on top, and this side where the APSA have actually broken surface tension is allowed to absorb quickly. So if you assume that if that waxy surface with those platelets were formed that way, it would get in the cracks much faster. That's how effective it is.